The Puretec hybrid range comes with a visual and audible alarm. When the end of the UV lamp life is reached, an A3 error code will be displayed, along with an audible alarm and red LED fault light. When the alarm sounds and flashes, you can choose to delay the alarm for 7 days, or if you have a lamp on hand, you can change the lamp and reset the timer. To silence and delay the alarm, press and hold on the silver button until delay is displayed on the screen, and then release. This will silence the alarm for 7 days, allowing time to purchase a new UV lamp if required. To replace the lamp and reset the alarm, switch off the power to the unit, giving time for the lamp to cool so it can be removed safely. To make lamp removal easier, you can detach the yellow earthing wire before changing the lamp. Remove the white lamp socket from the UV chamber and slowly lift until the lamp is clear from the chamber. Remove the expired lamp from the socket and replace with a new genuine Puretec replacement UV lamp. Place the UV lamp inside the UV chamber and then connect to the socket. Reconnect the yellow earthing wire if required. Once the power is returned, the alarm will continue to sound with the display showing the A3 code. To reset the alarm, press and hold on the silver button for 15 seconds until reset is shown on the screen and a single beep is heard. The alarm will now be reset. The display will show 365 days and the green on LED will be lit. Puretec, perfecting water, made easy.